Hello again, maestros. Shapes and forms are very important topics in drawing human bodies. They are interconnected. What does it mean? Andrew Loomis has stated that when you are drawing a shape, it should be reflecting a future form of that subject. For example, let's take just a normal sphere. Let's have a look at these projections. We have a vertical projection, we have a horizontal one, and we have another one projection that is vertical, that is depth, that is length, that is width, and that is depth. So all those three projections can depict how our future object will look like. In that case, in order to draw a simple shape like a circle or a sphere, we have to draw some projections like this. So here we have some basic projections, that is depth, length, and width. And here we can draw, for example, that is x, that is y, and that is z. For example, here we can draw a shape that is a circle. Here we also draw a circle, but a bit distorted. And here we also draw a circle. So voila, we have our projections. Now, in order to draw a shape, a form and volume, we have to connect them, and then we will get something like a volume. For example, like this. Then we can draw some lines like that. And then we can also make this point. So basically we can draw something like this. So as you see, if we use those projections as guides, we can create a voluminous form. Also, the same goes for human bodies. When we are drawing a torso, for example, we can break it down into projections, like the length, width, and depth. So in that case, let's draw a bit. So here we have our torso, and that was one projection. We can also draw it in other projections as well, and eventually we can create something voluminous, something that will stand out. We will see this and we will perceive this as three-dimensional. In that case, you can draw absolutely anything and everyone. Just keep in mind, you have three projections: vertical, horizontal, and another vertical, like width, depth, and length. And you can break into those projections every single object or person. That was all for today. Thank you much for watching. Stay tuned for another videos. Bye bye!